Meaning of hairy.
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 Hairy. The word hairy typically refers to something covered in hair or fur, such as an animal or person's body part. It can also be used to describe situations or objects that are complicated, challenging, or risky. The term is often associated with negative connotations, such as being unkempt or unattractive. However, it can also have a positive connotation when used to describe something unique or charmingly unconventional. In general, hairy is a versatile word that can be used in various contexts, depending on the intended meaning and context.